Hey y'all, this is Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. Today I'm on board our 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. It's a mouthful, but that's all right because this boat is a ton of boat. I've already custom ordered these from the factory for customers in 2019, and I love these things. They do so much for the family, and Sea Ray builds in a ton of little details of things that you wouldn't really think about. Take for instance this little red and black thing hanging over my head. Instead of doing a pole in the middle of the boat, they do a tie rope that clips here that has a little ratchet pull on it. It makes putting the cover on this boat worlds easier. Or the zipper that's over my head. Why? There's a wakeboard and ski tie point right there. You don't have to take the bimini down to put a rope there. It's just a ton of pieces. Take for instance the storage on this boat. Up underneath almost every single seat is storage, and you can't see it as well on the video, but that's nearly 3 foot deep. I mean, I don't know how many people you plan on having on this board, but that's a lot of bags that can go in there. Or maybe it's the sun pad on the rear. You've got cup holders, a little grip pad, spot for your phone, cell phone charger, and a huge swim platform. The biggest thing people complain about on outboards is, hey, we lost our swim platform. The 270 says, nope, you've got your whole swim platform, and you're backed by probably the best outboard on the market, Mercury's brand new, all digital controlled, naturally aspirated V8. If you haven't been in front of one of those motors, you absolutely have to. But hey, that's just the back of this boat. Come on forward and let me show you a little more. Sea Ray makes both of your helm seats convertible. They come back, just give you a broader spot in the back of the boat to entertain people and guests. In addition to that, when they're folded forward, you've got bolsters that go up, give you the opportunity to stand up when you want to be. And of course, even if a day is less than perfect, you're not going to want to miss it. With touchscreen, GPS, and engine controls at the dash, power steering from Mercury, digital controls, and of course, the ability to close off this boat so you can keep running even on a cold day. You're just not going to want to miss days, and this boat's not going to let you. It's got Fusion stereo, Fusion components, fresh water at the back. This one is equipped with a beach boarding ladder at the front, which is a treat for the brand new Lido beach that they've been adding sand to. Guys, this boat is just so much fun for running around here. I'd show you the bathroom, but we love to throw the covers in it, and I got to give you some reason to come here and look at it, right? I'm Jeremiah, this is MarineMax Sarasota, and this is our ever classic blue and tan Sea Ray 270 outboard. Give me a call and I'll show you this boat. We'll talk to you soon.